friends want me to go to the party, but for me it's cold outside. Daddy had just bought a new car, but I don't wanna have a ride. They are becoming impatient, 'cause they really wanna go. I wish that no one would blame me, but they still keep saying to me, haven't you noticed all the happiness around? Round and round, people staring at this bonfire light, sharing their stories, making just the coolest sounds, thinking of glory on this bonfire night. First thing I didn't do a thing, oh, until I saw you there. My judge just wanted to tell me something, but everything seemed unfair. My body was totally frozen, but you were moving all of the time. I wasn't sure if I had to make first step, but then I heard your voice saying to me, haven't you noticed all the happiness around? Round and round, people staring at this bonfire light, sharing their story, making just the coolest sounds, thinking of glory on this bonfire night. I just felt all that I am dreaming still, all the messages I feel inside the gap between us. I can hear it breathe, the fastest heartbeat, and the woman breathes their long in space. Haven't you noticed all the happiness around? Round and round, people staring at this bonfire light, sharing the story, making just the coolest sounds, thinking of glory on this bonfire night. Maybe sometimes it's good enough to go outside, writing old story beside you on that bonfire.